Good morning and welcome to SirToshi's Bitcoin Chart Show. This is the Bitcoin forecast, the strength of the system, the health of the network, where we find out what's up with what is going down. Today's date is Wednesday, the 22nd of June, 2022. Without further ado, let's just jump straight into it. Buy BSV.live, the best place to buy Bitcoin SV online, the original protocol and genuine Bitcoin. Right, here we go. Let's get into these figures. Core coin BTC, £20,292. The reason I call it core coin BTC is because it segregated the signatures on the 24th of August 2017, which meant the transaction data was segregated from the digital signatures, meaning it can no longer be used as money. And when it can't be used as money, the network can't be economically self-sustaining, which means it's going to collapse, which means that price there that I've just mentioned is a speculative price because the fundamental value is zero, nada, nothing. It is a security offering, and a legal security offering centrally controlled by Blockstream. That's all I've got to say about that. Then we've got Bcash again, centrally controlled by Roger Ver and his crony mates. Fisher Price Cash, again centrally controlled by Anne-Marie Sachet. And then we've got Bitcoin, the original protocol, with everything still intact. Goes right back to the Genesis block. It hasn't changed, making it the real Bitcoin, the true Bitcoin, the genuine Bitcoin, and the world's first and only ever digital commodity, backed by the value of data sovereignty, making it the most valuable commodity on Earth, because it's an extension of our own data freedoms. So let's have a look at this then. We've got the price $64. Sensational stuff. Hash rate 0.38. That's going up. Oof. That's got me excited. I'm going to be looking forward to seeing the pie charts at the bottom there. Come on. I think it was 690 petahashes last time we looked at it on what's on chain. Ooh, getting exciting. Network nodes 0.47, transactions 69.46, but block size 98.7. Absolutely huge. And remember, when it comes to Bitcoin, hash rate is vanity, block size is sanity. It is the block size which represents the data flowing onto the chain. The data is uploaded by the transactions. The transactions are processed by the nodes. The nodes supply the hash rate, which cracks SHA-256, and that is attracted to the price. But everything stems from data usage. If something is useless, it is worthless. It cannot be economically self-sustaining. It's as simple as that. So can you see what's going to happen? You really don't have to be a rocket scientist to figure it out for yourself. Right, let's have a look at these blocks and look at this SBI crypto having an absolute belter. An absolute belter. They must have put on loads of hash rate. So just looking at the blocks here, we've got a 1.5 gigabyte block mined by Tau. Fantastic. Another 1.06 block mined by Tau. Cool, look at this. SBI and Tau are having an absolute field day. An absolute field day. That's amazing. Hash rate. Oh, look at this. Look at the hash rate. That's the highest it's ever been. That is the highest it's ever been. Wow. Yeah. I wonder if we can actually have a look at this. Come on. Come on. If we can run the cursor along the lines here, it might show us the hash rate. Come on. Here we go. So Bitcoin 0.42, 0.42, 0.41. Where are we now? 0.57. 0.57. Any more? 0.57. Come on. That might be the highest it's ever been. 0.57. Just moving along here. Come on. 0.39. 0.5. Oh, 0.69. 0.69 is what it has been. That's the highest. Oh, 0.75. Whoa, what was that? 1. Other not EHs per second or something like that. Wow. Okay, but only for a short period of time. 0.18. 0.186. 2. 2.09. 2.11. Alright, just going to keep an eye on these. Right, let's have a look at. So 2.4 might go up a bit here. This might look like. So 3.5. 3.5 is the highest. That might have been during the hash war, actually. Yeah, when we were messing around with Roger. Yeah, it looks like it. Yeah, that would have been the hash war. Right. Okay, so it's got as high as 3.5. Interesting. I'll bear that in mind. But certainly it's been the highest for a long time. right? But this is genuine. This is genuine. This is awesome. Loving that. There is real utility behind this hash rate now. Real utility. So remember, hash rate is just vanity because we've got literally 98% of all the data being processed by 0.3% of the hash rate. You know, crazy. Hash rate is just vanity. That's literally all it is. That's all it is. All right, loving that. So hash rate follows price, follows value, follows utility, follows creativity, initiative, and intelligence. If you are intelligent and you apply creativity and initiative, you can make something useful. When something is useful, it can then create value. When it creates value, it can then develop a price. When it develops a price, it can then be measured against the cost of other goods and services and used as a medium of exchange. Boom, next. Proof of work by network, it's all coming over to Bitcoin. It's currently 7,914 times cheaper to transact on Bitcoin than Corecoin, and it's still 6.7% more profitable. Come on, come on. Daily average Bitcoin block size by network, Bitcoin absolutely smashing it. Transactions by network, Bitcoin winning. Transactions per block, Bitcoin winning. Fees USD on the way down. Fees SirToshi's on the way down. Look at that, fantastic. Block fee to block reward ratio, we want that going up, moving nicely. Daily accumulated Bitcoin blockchain growth by network. Can we have a look at this? Here we go. Where are we now? It was 4.21, I think. We're now 4.24, moving in the right direction, storming away. Global hash rate 7 days. Global hash rate 24 hours. Pooling's back at Corecoin BTC, overtaking Foundry. SBI crypto on there, 0.69. All right, here we go. B crash, what a joke. Let's have a look at the profitability. Other miners just keeping their profitability in check. It's more profitable to mine Corecoin BTC as ever. That's hilarious. That's hilarious. And they're still mining it. Absolute fools. Fisher Price Cash, literally can't even bother with that one. But look at this. Look at this. SBI crypto now with 47.2%. That is on the move. That is on the move, and it's still more profitable to mine. It's still more profitable to mine. 6.7% more profitable to mine Bitcoin. Ooh, come on. Come on, this is huge. And the hash rate has gone up on the chain. I cannot stress how big this is. The implications of this are huge. And this is just literally over 24 hours. You know, it's gone from something like whatever it was yesterday, around 40 to 47%. I mean, that is huge. That is huge. Come on, loving that. Right, talking about pie charts then, let's have a look at the transaction volume. Here we go, 19.9. We'll have to have a look at crypto fights, see what their 24-hour transactions was. I think it was 143,000 yesterday. Right, so for any newbies wondering what these mining operations look like, these are they. This is the backbone to the new global financial system, the world's first ever commercial internet. Absolutely phenomenal. Blows my mind every time. Let's have a look at Chainalytics. Oh, they've got Bitcoin back on there. Come on. 140 megabytes. Look at that. Daily transactions, 733,000. Smashing all the rest. Absolutely smashing it. Smashing it. Like 300 times more than Corecoin BTC. Amazing. And average transaction fee. Oh, they've got it now, 0.001. Wow. And XRP is 0 because it's a centralized spreadsheet. Absolutely ridiculous. Here we go. And carbon cap, look at this. So they don't even want to show you the figures because it goes against their narrative that Bitcoin is literally one of the most efficient systems on the planet. More efficient than proof of stake because proof of stake is limited in its capacity, whereas proof of work is not. It's just absolutely sensational stuff. Sensational stuff. Scaling test network, yeah, 4.2 terabytes on the main net. We've had a 3.7 gigabyte block mined in the last 24 hours. Oh, might have to go back and see if we can find that one. Great stuff. Here we go. So data size Meta ID producing off 4.9 gigabytes. That's going down. Strange one. Never mind. But let's have a look at transactions on crypto fights. 153,000 over 24 hours. Phenomenal stuff. Still rising. Still rising. Amazing. Trends.cash, abs ranking by money spent. TDXB up and DXS, same thing, I think. Absolutely huge, macking it hard. Dirty traders can be unsullied on TDXP. Abs ranking by performed actions, that's crypto fights and run protocol, storming away. Crypto Quant, so this is, look at this. So exchanges were cashing out, that's the purple line, but the price was going up. But again, Tether was printing, whereas now it's not printing. Oh dear. Look, Binance trying to defend the price by buying $2 billion worth of it. $2 billion of absolute shit. Dollars are shit and BTC is shit. So basically it's shit versus shit. And you know where shit versus shit goes? Down the toilet. Shit on shit is what it is. Let's have a look at what's on chain. So was this 690 petahashes? I think it's petahash per second. So we might have been looking at exahashes per second on the first one, but it's gone down a little bit. But increasing an overall market share for that. 710,000 transactions over the last 24 hours. Let's have a look at the Whale wallet. Are they purchasing any more? So they moved just a micro payment just for a bit of fun a couple of days ago, maybe signing somebody up. That'd be pretty good. The morning run. So it says here we've only had 5,895 purchases in the last 24 hours. Seems a little bit strange, but let's have a look at the depth chart here. So volume. So volume to cap. So only 4.8% trade volume. That's quite low. Look at that price looking strong though. And depth chart increasing. 2.7 million bids versus 2.6 million asks. That's looking quite healthy actually. Let's have a look at here. So Coolcoin BTC, 24-hour trade. Oh, it hasn't got. Let's have a look at the. So that's a 4% trade volume as well. All right then. Let's have a look. See if we're around number 44, 43. Moving on up. We'll take that. CoinGecko, how are we feeling about it today, CoinGecko? I would say feeling good. 86%. Come on. We'll take that. Short positions on Bitcoin. They're leveling out. But again, I mean, look at the height of the short positions. Again, virtue signaling means absolutely nothing. But the longs are going up. The longs are going up slowly. Slowly but surely, people getting more and more confident about Bitcoin. Look at this. It's just creeping up slowly. Oh, look at that. The longs are going up. It is. Wow, loving that. And Coolcoin BTC, oh dear, longs are leveling out. Yeah, the shorts are also going down a little bit. The shorts are just heading down slowly, slowly. That is confidence being eroded. Eroded away. Right, let's have a look at Tether market cap here, shall we? The 7 days. Oh dear. Or in the month, it's still. So I mean, really, the dollar should be like right up here. It's in the red. It's in the red still. It's not looking good. Let's have a look at the. Oh no, didn't want that. Let's go back. The market cap of Tether is what we're interested in. Have any more people been selling out? No. Looks like. Well, look at that. 1 month. Oof, it's not looking good. 3 months. Down a staircase. Year to date. That's what we want. Oof. Oh, I think that's gone down even further. Even further. Whew. Yeah, people cashing out their Tether as they should do. Right, let's have a look at Bittrex. Look at these lines heading north. Look at that. That is not that I'm a trader or anything, don't encouraging it, but that there looks a really strong trend line. A really strong trend line. Yeah, wow. I mean, it looks fairly even. Beautiful. Let's have a look at this is Bitcoin versus Coolcoin BTC. Come on. Look at this. So this goes right back to that 5th of June. Which one would you rather have been in? Oh yeah, good grief. That's looking really good. Let's have a look at Coolcoin versus USD. Oh, let's see. Look, Binance pump, and now it's being followed by a dump. Oh dear. Yeah, shit on shit. Let's have a look at Coinbase. Oh, a little bit of bounce. People literally picking up the dregs there. Down 83%, all-time high. MicroStrategy down 67%. Oh, picking up a tiny little bit, but that's pure speculation. Again, I wouldn't go near a MicroStrategy with a barge pole. Might be traders trying to swing trade, scalping, taking little bits here there. Again, just dirty dollar worshipping. Ridiculous. Right, we've had 1,116 views on Silverfish. It is going up, loving that. Remember, in order to get our sovereignty back, we need a money that is used by the people to create government for the people, or we'll just simply end up with a government that creates money to control the people. And a digital commodity needs a fixed supply, economic competition, a locked protocol, infinite scale, and a chain of signatures, and only BSV has that. Right, we'll leave it there. Hope you enjoyed the show. As ever, be aware, take care, stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one.